Oh guys, another night out in the Pisswood Pass out. Hang on, one sec. Wow. Nom 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 nom, that's fucking beautiful. Anyway, that's not the subject today. I was on my way home and my cousin decided to ride back and check something out. And went outside this house where some poor old soul had passed away, sadly. And there was loads of stuff in the front garden. So I thought I'll have a quick rummage. And what we managed to find was this. I've never seen one of these before. Straight away, it was in my bag. I thought, I've got to get this home. This is a Nobby 522 by Powell and Hanna of Birmingham. What this was, I think it's dated, from what I've seen, between 1929 through the 1930s, so nearly pre-war, World War II. What it is, it's to stop your car engine block from freezing during winter. It's quite nice how it works. It's really good. So you release that safety cap. I might be able to do this one hand. Oh, I can. I'll do it one hand. And you would put this in the engine bay. It's really nice. Bit greasy because I've been working on it to get it all working. So it's basically, this would stop your car from freezing during the colder months. It ain't got the right fuel in it, by the way. You can't run these on, believe it or not, white spinner. Fuck's sake, white spirit. I've only done this to show that it's actually working. Right, so there's your little flame. I don't want to run it too much because it smokes like fuck. And I'll put it on back to front. It's quite tricky to get this actually on there. With one hand he says, oh come on, get on there. I'm not, you fucking what, pushing 100 years old, but come on. That's a bit warm. Oh right, that'll do. Yeah, you get the idea. That switches that right, that spins round into like it's a bit like a bayonet. Bayonet fitting off a light bulb, ceiling rose, and then obviously that just clamps over. Yeah. But before it gets too hot, let's take this out. That's already hot. The heat from that is actually quite impressive. Thank you. That's already quite hot. The gauze is quite hot as well. So we'll show you the inside of it if we can. Let's get a bit of light. You can't really see it because the lights in here are fucking shocking. So we're going to take out the burner. Wow. Oh, fuck's sake. Right guys, just bear with me a minute. Okay, so I've got most of it loose. These don't screw, regardless of whichever direction you turn this, it literally just pops out. And there is quite a wick in this. As far as I know, it's original. I'm not totally sure if the old ones had like metal wire fed through them for stability or strength. I don't know, but I know there's quite a bit in there, and there is actually quite a bit of paraffin in this. Not paraffin, white spirit. And it just sits on there. Anyone who can shed any light on this, I don't know, the date that they were manufactured. I know they were manufactured by a company based in Birmingham, where we are now. And they've manufactured all sorts of fantastic lights from the front of the very early motor cars that were paraffin believe it or not, well, paraffin powered, the old light units. I have been online, and that is, you can see what it is there. There you go. That's the name of it. But I am not seeing any of these at all. There is a few listed on eBay, but the dates are on them. Rather, the information is very, very sketchy. I have looked into the company. There's one very similar. Very, very similar. But I just can't get much data on them. As far as I know, there is none of these on YouTube. Let's do a search. Yeah, he's a legend. And it's all these, well, a lot of these I've never even heard of. Hang on, back in one sec, guys. I'm just going to sort something out. Someone's knocking on my door. Well, that was good. By the way, knocking on my door means you need to go and use the little boy's room, which when you drink copious amounts of beer. Not copious, bloody hell, I've only had 2. Them are nice. They are nice. So, yeah, that has actually cooled down now. So my plan for this is, obviously I want to restore this. I've cleaned it up a little bit, obviously, so we can just get an idea of what it is, where it's made. I don't want to tip it up too much, but the base of it is absolutely perfect. There's no leakage at all from this. It's brilliant, and it just works. I had this running for, I don't know, 2 or 3 hours in here, and this isn't a very big room. It's about 10 square meters, insulated, of course, and it was just right. It got a little bit nippy a few nights ago, so I thought I'll let this run through the night, and it just kept the edge off. So unfortunately, I'm a cold ass. I need this place to be 20 degrees. If it's any below a 20, I'm freezing my nuts off, man. So I wanted to show you that, guys, because obviously I have not seen one on YouTube at all. I've been searching this for 3 days. Can't find it anywhere. If any of you can find one, just put a link in the comments and I'll be sure to go and check it out. But as I say, there's just nothing. Oh. Yeah, that's pretty much the end of the comments. It's gone to me Sparky videos now, which are fun. I like them. They are funny. That's pretty much it. Like, the only info is, well, they're not even linked in here. Yeah, eBay. And that went for 90 quid. Get rid of that, I don't need that, thank you. 90 quid. Oh, it didn't even sell. Oh, bugger. That's what they should look like. Anyway, guys, I hope you're all safe, enjoying the not summer that we've got, because it is shocking. And I'll give you a little update on this. If I can find out any more info on it, I will of course share it with you. But for now, I'm gonna see you in the next video.